Hey friends, welcome to Cooking with Claudia. Today we're making honey garlic shrimp and broccoli. This is a very easy peasy recipe that's savory, sweet, and delicious. Let's get started. We're going to start by making a honey garlic sauce for the shrimp and broccoli. We're adding together honey, soy sauce, Dijon mustard, freshly minced garlic, and freshly minced ginger. Go ahead and mix everything together very well, then set aside. Next, in this bowl, we have some shrimp that are deveined. Pour half of the honey garlic sauce onto the shrimp, then set the remaining sauce aside for later. Stir everything together, then place this in the fridge for the shrimp to marinate in the sauce for about 30 minutes. While the shrimp is marinating, make sure you prep some vegetables. I went ahead and cut up some broccoli and spring onions. Next, we're going to heat up some oil in a pan over high heat. Once the oil gets very hot and smoky, we're going to add the marinated shrimp. Allow the shrimp to cook in the sauce for 3 to 4 minutes on high heat. We want the sauce to thicken and caramelize onto the shrimp just like this. Make sure you're stirring continuously, that way nothing burns. Transfer the caramelized shrimp onto a plate, then set aside for later. Next, in the same pan, add some olive oil. Toss in the cut up broccoli, then season with salt and pepper. Cook the broccoli on high heat for about 2 minutes to soften a little. Then pour in the remaining honey garlic sauce. Cook the sauce and broccoli for another 1 minute on high heat or until the sauce thickens. Add the caramelized shrimp, and then to freshen up the flavor, we're going to add the chopped spring onions. Mix everything together, then cook for an extra 30 seconds, and we are all done. This recipe pairs really well with some cooked white rice, so make sure you have that ready. The shrimp came out very juicy. The honey garlic sauce is sweet, savory, and delicious. If you guys would like to try this recipe, check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements.